Hi, I'm Sandra Phipps with Sony's Professional Display Group. Today I'm standing next to our Crystal LED, or CLED technology. This particular version of it is a 4K version. It's a modular direct view LED technology. We manufacture it in 2 pixel pitches and a high contrast, as well as a less glossy, less reflective surface for various applications. The unique thing about this technology is the picture quality. It is a mini LED technology with incredible dynamic range, incredible color accuracy. It's ideal for technology, or applications I should say, that require faithful reproduction of the content, as well as applications where you want to grab someone's attention. Because of the contrast ratio, because of the extreme picture quality, we are able to make an image that will capture and as well as pull people in. So thank you very much.